In this tutorial today, we'll be looking at how to simplify this basic algebra. So here we have a fraction that is 2x all over x plus x. If you are new to my channel, if you are new to my page, please like, subscribe, and please don't fail to share this video with other learners. Alright, so in cases like this, now what you don't need to do, take note, this is a fraction and this is just a variable. All you just need to do, this x is just the same thing as saying x all over 1. Okay, so we can see here we have a denominator of 5 and here a denominator of 1. Now the best way to do this is to multiply this part of the expression by the same denominator. So here we have 5 all over 5. Now this will help us have the same denominator. So we end up having 2x all over 5, then plus 5x all over 5. So with this now, as long as we now have the same denominator, we can just always sum up the numerator, and this will give us 2x plus 5x will give us 7x, and since we now have the same denominator, you can just pick up 1. Final answer. Bye bye.